Nature Break, Sky Gazing.
Hello, boys and girls. Today's nature break is over your head and my head, too. It's the sky. God has made beautiful, wonderful things in the sky. Let's find out about them on Nature Break. Our Father in heaven is the source of life, of wisdom, and of joy. Look at the wonderful and beautiful things of nature. The sky is everything that lies above the surface of the earth, also known as our celestial sphere. The random scattering of sunlight by the gas molecules, mostly nitrogen and oxygen, make the sky a beautiful blue. I like the color blue. On the fourth day of creation, God put very special things in the sky, like the sun. I love to watch the sunrise on the beach. Looks like the sun is coming right out of the water. The sun is important. It's called the greater light to rule the day. It provides life-giving light. It provides heat and energy to the earth. But as the sun begins to set and starts going down, there's a second light, the lesser light, to rule the night. Do you know what that is? Right, it's the moon. The moon is important as well. It influences our oceans, weather, and hours of the day. The stars were made too on the fourth day. They help us navigate through the earth and lights up the night so we can see. In the sky, you can also see natural phenomenons like the rain. See the raindrops? Another natural phenomenon that you can see in the sky is lightning. Now kids, if you see lightning and hear thunder, go inside, be safe. What comes after the rain? That's right, a beautiful rainbow. What colors do you see? Pink, red, purple, green, yellow. Oh, so pretty. And then there's the clouds. I love to lay on my back and look into the sky and see what shapes the clouds make. Do you see a heart? I'm not really sure what shape this is. Could be a frog, an animal, an insect. Oh, but this one, I see an angel with a trumpet. Do you see that in the sky? And this one right here, do you see a lady laying down on her back? Wow, clouds are very interesting. Actually, clouds are the favorite things I love to see in the sky. I recently was in an airplane that flew high above the clouds. It was so beautiful to see the clouds below me. This reminded me of a story in the Bible when the clouds received Jesus as he rose up into the air into heaven. This happened sometime after his resurrection, after he spent 40 days with his disciples speaking about the kingdom of God. As Jesus rose into the sky, the disciples kept looking and looking. They couldn't see him anymore. They kept gazing into the sky. I guess they wanted Jesus to come back. But two angels appeared and assured them in Acts 1:11, "Ye men of Galilee, why stand ye gazing up into heaven? This same Jesus, which is taken up from you into heaven, shall so come in like manner as ye have seen him go into heaven." That meant Jesus was coming back again. Boys and girls, I am so happy that Jesus is coming back again, and this time all his people will go to heaven with him. Isn't that wonderful? Well, that's the end of Nature Break. Hope to see you next time. Blessings.